Today, I will teach you how to get the best interest rates, the lowest down payments, and overall the best deal on financing your home so you don't go anywhere. If you're about to buy your new home, shopping around for mortgage lenders, and you're asking yourself, is this really the best deal they can give me? Well, you've come to the right video. Now, if you're an avid shopper and you always look for the best deals, asking around for lower rates, the hard truth is the harder you look around, the more likely you are to find the worst deal. Look, this may be a sad scenario, but it's true. If you're hard at work looking for the best deals, more than often than not, the best deal you're looking at right now is someone over-promising and will under-deliver. Look, you know it happens. People are desperate for a sale and people lie. So always be on your guard. The best advice I can give you is to get only a few quotes from people you trust and like. You especially want to listen to your realtor if they say, that's the best deal. It's because they know. Look, they're in the market 24/7 and they know if a deal is as good as gold or as fake as a $3 bill. Look, you want to also understand how they came up with the rate. Try to ask a lot of questions and really get into how they came up with the offer. Because some would promise you a really good rate, when the review starts, it comes crumbling down. Look, make sure that the rate you are getting is worth it. What seems like you're saving $100 or more monthly would sometimes take you more than 5 years to get it back. So really hone in on the details and never focus on the rate only. Now, the biggest advice I have to improve your rates is to never rush it. Yes, I understand you're excited about moving out or getting that really nice state-of-the-art home, but that excitement will cost you thousands. Spending a few extra months improving your credit will save you thousands in monthly payments. So don't focus on finding the best deal possible, but make it possible for them to give you the best deal they can. Improve your credit score. If you want more advice getting your new home or tips and tricks in getting better deals, hit that subscribe button for more.